Fayetteville doctor says more COVID restrictions are needed as the hospital deals with the highest number of patients they've ever treated for COVID. There are at least 430 new COVID cases in Cumberland County within the last 3 days. CBS 17's Kayla Strayer is asking Cumberland County officials if they're considering tightening restrictions.
The number of COVID patients being treated at Cape Fear Valley Medical Center has nearly doubled in recent weeks, says Dr. Sam Fleischman.
Certainly our ED volumes are very high, and we want to encourage anybody who doesn't need to come to the emergency department not to come at this time.
Dr. Fleischman says there are now 87 COVID patients being treated in 2 isolation units at the hospital. 50 hospital beds are closed due to staffing shortages, and COVID patients stay in the hospital almost twice as long as other patients.
They may stay in the hospital 10, 15, 20 days to recover from COVID. They get very sick.
During Tuesday's meeting, Cumberland County Board of Health members talked about what can be done to help stop the rise in COVID cases. Some members, including Dr. Fleischman, say more COVID restrictions would help.
I think really we need a stay-at-home order at this point, and a mask mandate would both be good steps in the right direction.
Fayetteville city leaders say they are not considering additional COVID restrictions right now and referred me to the county as the lead for all health functions. The chairman of the Cumberland County Board of Commissioners says he supports a stay-at-home order, but says at this point commissioners will not be considering that at Monday's meeting. He encourages people to continue social distancing and wearing masks. Dr. Fleischman says the good news in all of this, the arrival of the vaccines this week.
We are very positive about our future. We just got to get past the next 90 days, and then things are going to be really on the upswing.
Reporting in Fayetteville, Kayla Strayer, CBS 17 News.